Good morning, children. I'm Kaisen sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Bison School. In previous class, I have explained the topic, the world of numbers. Today also we have to continue the same topic, the world of numbers. So, what is our topic today? The world of numbers. So, in this topic, children, once open the page number 86, the page number 86. Indian numbers. Next to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Okay. Next. So place value table. Place value table. Okay. So in this ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. So ones period, in this ones period, ones, tens, 100. Next to thousands period, in this thousands period, thousands, 10,000s. Next to lakhs period, in this lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So this is the chart you have to observe. So first of all, the numbers. In the numbers, Indian system of numeration is the one of the system. In Indian system of numeration, the place value table, okay, in this place value table, the periods are ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. In ones period, place values are ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, place values are thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs period, place values are lakhs and 10 lakhs. So this is we have to observe the chart. Okay, children. I hope it's very clear. Please note down this one. Next, the second system, international system of numeration. That one I will tell you. Just note down, children. Next to international system of numeration. International system of numeration. Numeration. Okay. The place value chart. Place value chart. So periods, ones period, Next, thousands period. Next, millions period. Okay, in ones period, place values ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, place values thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands. In millions period, place values millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So this is the chart we have to observe. Okay, this is international system of numeration. In previous I have said Indian system of numeration. This is international system of numeration chart. Okay, once observe this one. Next, and the next one is the Roman numerals. That one you know. Next, to observe the question time. We have to observe the question time. Number name and expanded form. Okay. See, observe number name, next to expanded form. Expanded form. So first of all, 5, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That means number name 54 lakh, 54 lakh. Next, 12,000, 12,000, 435, 435. Okay, now expanded form. So first of all, 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Next to 4 lakhs, next plus 10,000, next plus 2,000, plus 400, plus 30, plus 5. So this is the expanded form. Okay, children. Next, in the same way we can answer the remaining also. Next, second, fill in the blanks with the face value, place value, and place value of the digits in red. Okay. Next, this is page number 87. Page number 87. Next, second one. Fill in the blanks. First of all, number, number. Next, face value and place value. Face value, place and place value. So first of all, 34 lakh number, 34 lakh 54,456. We have to find the face value of 5. Sin this one, this 5, not this one. So face value 5. The place 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000. So place 10,000s. 10,000s. Place value 50,000. Okay. Next, second B, 45 lakh 9,809. 809. The face value of 4. That means face value of 4 itself 4. The place 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh. So 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. So place value 4 into 10 lakhs, 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs. Next, C, 30 lakh 12,432. The face value of 0 itself 0. The place 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So place lakhs. So the place value 0 into lakhs 0. We have to write 0 only. So this is the second one. I hope it's very clear. Note down, children. Next, arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. So A, 45 lakh 76,432. $34 lakh 54,123. 44 lakh 76,123, 34 lakh 12,432. This is one. So these four we have to write in ascending order. So ascending order means small to big we have to write. So ascending order, which is small, 34 lakh 54,000 or 34 lakh 12,000. We know that 34 lakh 12,432 is the smallest. So 34 lakh 12,432. Yes, next. 34 lakh 54,123. Next, comparing these two, 44 lakh is the smallest, smaller than 45 lakhs. So 44 lakh 76,123. Next, 45 lakh 76,432. So this is the way we have to answer for the arrange ascending order. Okay, children, I hope it's very clear. Next, arrange the given numbers in descending order. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. The question, 34 lakh 67,980, 34 lakh 54,123, 34 lakh 76,123, 34 lakh 10,543. Next, descending order, that means we have to write decreasing order. So big to small. So which is the big? 34 lakh 76,000, 34 lakh 76,123. Next, 34 lakh 67,980. Next, 34 lakh 54,123. Next, 34 lakh 10,543. So this is the way we have to write descending order. Okay, children, I hope it's very clear. Note down. Next, write three consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So consecutive even numbers explained 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Okay. So in next class we will attempt the consecutive numbers. Okay, children. I hope it's very clear. This is my today's class. Now I will give you homework. If you open your studio book, studio, and the page number 86, 86. So in this 86 concept map, it's a very very important concept map. You have to practice concept map, numbers, Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration, and Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Okay. Next, 86 page number, question time also. Question time. The page number 87. In this 87 page, fill in the blanks with the face value, place value, and place to place value. That one. Next to number, their number names we have to write. Next to ascending order, the page number 87. Next 86 and 87 and 88. In this page, arrange the given numbers in descending order. Okay. So that one you have to complete. Children, watch the videos very sincerely. Okay. If you watch the video concentrately, then automatically you can practice, you can understand, you can practice everything very well. Please do that sincerely. Okay. This homework you have to follow what I said. Okay. 86, 87 and 88. Okay. What I have explained, the problems in these pages, you have to do practice in your either homework book or practice book. Okay children. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.